guys, welcome to the YouTube Make Station. My name is Gabrielle and I'm here to take you through some really awesome projects. Today we are doing a really classic one. We are going to be making some soft serve ice cream. This is a really great project because it's super simple and it looks really great. This is the swirly kind of ice cream. If you want to add some sprinkles on there or some little syrup on there or a cherry, you can definitely do that, or gummy bears, I don't know, whatever you put on your ice cream, you can definitely add it. But if you enjoyed making this video with me, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, follow for more. We post new videos every single week. All right, let's get started.
Perfect. So the very first thing we are going to start with is our cone. So the top of our cone is just this long U shape. Then we're going to do two lines coming straight down on either side of that U shape, and then another U shape attaching the bottom of those lines. Then I did a squared off bottom of my cone, but you can do a pointy cone if you would like to. So I just did two lines coming in at an angle and attached them with a line at the bottom. Then to make the waffle cone effect, we're going to start by making diagonal lines in one direction like you see here. So from one end to the other, following the same direction. And then to do the other waffle cone, we're going to start at that corner and we're going to go in the other direction, creating those same lines. So just go nice and slow, take your time. Then for the soft serve effect, we are going to start on one end of our cone, curve up and around, run your line parallel, and then at the other end, we're going to end it with a bit of a point at the top. Starting at that point, we're going to curve another line coming down, running parallel, and curving around. So we just want to follow that shape. Then we're going to do the same thing on top, so it's a very similar shape. You're going to curve around and up and then end with a point, and then you're going to start at that point again and curve it down parallel to that top line. Then for the point of the soft serve, we're just going to create a little bit of a rainbow there. And then for the point, I like to just come down. It's almost like an S shape. I know my hand is a little bit blocking it right now, but we're going to create that S shape, and then you can just create a rainbow coming down like that. Then we're going to start at that point and create another line going parallel down. Beautiful. So feel free to pause, rewind, take your time with this. I know I went super fast, but just add those curvy points and run those lines parallel to create that swirled effect. Once you're happy with how they're looking, we're going to start coloring in our ice cream. So I did a hot pink ice cream because why not? I decided to do maybe like a strawberry and cream type soft serve. I don't know. It could be cotton candy flavored. So I just took any color and colored in those big sections first. So I went in and colored the three biggest sections with the hot pink. If you like the markers that we're using, they are linked in the description down below, so you can go ahead and get some for at home if you would like to. We love these markers. They work super great, and they come in a gigantic pack. Wonderful. And then I also added a bit of like a off-white color to kind of make it look a bit more natural. So I went in, it looks really cool toned on the paper, you'll see here soon, but it is more of a warm tone like you can see on the example. But I just went in with a bit of an off-white to give it more of a natural look. Wonderful. And then for the cone, I went in with a brown here, kind of an ice cream cone brown, and colored in the whole ice cream. So I just, or not the whole ice cream, the whole ice cream cone. I just went in and colored everything. So usually I like to do that. You can see I outlined it first and then I color in everything on the inside. That is just my personal style. And then to give it a slightly more dimension, I actually went in with a yellow marker and I added a bit of yellow underneath the top of the cone there, just to give it a bit of a shadow. You can kind of see that in the drawing I just did. Then to finish it off, I decided to do some starburst around our ice cream because it's a magnificent ice cream. So you can add that if you would like to. I just went in with a purple and did that for mine. Then once you've done that, you are all done your ice cream. You can add whatever else you would like to. I hope you loved making this with me, and please make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more. I'll see you guys next time.